The city of Pimpri Chinchwad has a vast tradition of Sant Parampara and Varkari Parampara. During Ashadi Vari Palki ceremony and throughout the years, lakhs of Varkaris come to visit Sant Shrestha Jnaneshwar Mauli at pilgrimage Alandi. From Alandi, every year the Vaishnav fair makes its way to Pandharpur, chanting the name of Panduranga. On this Palki highway, along with the devotion of Vaishnavas, the saffron symbol of Hindutva will be hoisted and it will be 200 feet high. Hello, I am Shubhada and you are watching Voice of Pimpri Chinchwad. The idea of erecting a saffron flag on a Palki highway was mooted by BJP MLA Mahesh Landge. It has taken a shape. The proposal was approved by Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Commissioner Shekhar Singh. With this, the way has been cleared for erecting a 200 feet high saffron flag near the Paduka temple in Saroli. Lakhs of Varkaris in Maharashtra travel through the Dehu-Alandi Pandharpur Palki route. On this route, a Saint Shrine has been built near the Great Paduka Temple in Saroli. MLA Mahesh Landge had strongly demanded that a saffron flag with the holy symbol of Varkari and Hindu religion should be erected on this Bhakti Marg through the municipal administration. He succeeded. Through the municipal administration, a saffron flag which conveys the knowledge of Indian Hindu culture and is a glowing symbol of sacrifice and pride should be erected at a Great Paduka Mandir, Saroli. Municipal Commissioner Shekhar Singh has approved the proposal to raise the height of the dam to 200 feet. The flag is being installed in front of the Grand Paduka temple on the Dehu-Alandi Pandharpur Palki highway. A saffron flag symbolizing Hinduism and Sanatan Dharma should be erected. For this, the location of the Palki highway should be determined. The demand was being made by Hindutva organization including Shiv Shambhu lovers in the city and Pune district. The flag of the Bhavan is a symbol of nationalism and dedication. These values should be instilled in society. This flag will be an inspiration for the future generations. Our Varkaris who follow the glorious Vaishnav tradition carry the saffron flag on their shoulders and tell the greatness of Hindu religion and devotion. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the founder of Hindavi Swaraj, created history with the testimony of this Bhagwa. The saffron flag was raised as a symbol of success in many major conquests in Indian culture. Therefore, this flag which inspires self-respect, sacrifice, devotion and strength is being erected. Our traditions and history guide us to move forward on ideal paths. Let's meet again with a new topic in Voice of Pimpri Chinchwad. Until then, thank you.